Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today I'm very excited to bring you the Nomadplug. I saw this at CES 2019 and now it's 2021. We're very excited to see this live in person and actually a real product. So they give you, with the box, a travel bag, the unit here. This is really great. It's an 18 watt USB-C power delivery wall plug for North America. And here's the nice thin box. Here's some details on the back. You can pause this video anytime. It shows you all the pieces inside, which will show you on the Nomadplug here right now. They give you a nice little direction kit also. So this part folds over, which is interesting. Here are all the different pieces. There's one piece, two pieces, 3 and 4 pieces. And they're magnetic, so they will go together and stay together, just like that. So here's the plug port here. Here's this plug port. It's obviously for Europe and some other places. And then this part simply plugs right back into here, and then you can travel with that pretty easily. This is great because, like I said, on its own, it's 18 watt power delivery, and it does a great job of fast charging your smartphones. All the phones that I plugged it into say fast charging, so I like that a lot. So that's included in the kit. This is from Nomadplug. Be sure to find it. It's available now. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.